In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a CDN on Hostinger, and we'll achieve this in just 5 minutes. Setting up a Content Delivery Network, or CDN, can significantly enhance the speed and performance of your website by reducing latency, so it's well worth investing a little time to make this change. First, let's begin by logging into your Hostinger account. Head over to the Hostinger website and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and locate the My Account button. Clicking here will take you to the heart of your account where everything is managed. With this step complete, let's move on by selecting Websites. You'll find this option after clicking My Account. This will give you access to a list of all the websites you have under your account. In this list, locate the website for which you want to activate the CDN. Click on it to access its dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard of your selected website, your next stop is the Performance section. This is a crucial step because it hosts all the settings we'll need for optimizing your site's speed and efficiency. Keep your eyes peeled for the Performance option. Once you spot it, click on it to proceed further into enhancing your site. Now it's time to delve into the CDN settings. Click on the CDN option from the Performance settings menu. Entering here means you're near the finish line for setting up your CDN. Next, you'll see an Overview tab. Here, you'll be able to click on the CDN status link, which provides more information and actions relating to your CDN setup. In this overview, you'll notice an Activate button. Go ahead and click this button to initiate the CDN setup process. It might take a little while, so sit tight and wait for the activation to be completed. After your CDN is active, it's a good idea to turn on the development mode. Doing so allows you to see your updates in real time without delay, which is particularly useful if you're making frequent changes to your website. Further enhancing your optimization process, you'll want to click on Flush Cache. This ensures that any changes you've made will instantly be reflected, providing a smoother experience for visitors to your site. To wrap things up, visit your website and use various tools to confirm the CDN is working as intended. Checking your site's performance after these changes is crucial to ensure everything is running smoothly and benefiting from the CDN activation. And that's it. You've successfully set up a CDN on your Hostinger site, bolstering its performance and speed. With these steps, your website is not only faster but better equipped to handle traffic efficiently. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the improved performance of your website.